Stress is a normal part of life in this fast-paced world, kaya huwag kalimutang alagaan ang sarili. Take some time off and rejuvenate your mind and body with Green Naturals Rub and Massage Oils. Enjoy a pampering session at the comfort of your home as it soothes your muscle pain and relieves stress. Makakatulong din kung may trangkaso. Kumuha ng maliit na amount ng rub, then rub it on your palms, inhale the aroma and exhale. Then ipahid na ito sa iyong katawan. Always look after yourself. Beat stress and feel instantly recharged with Green Naturals.